Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to channel Gadget. Are you ready to experience the future of audio? Look on the future and the Apple AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. In this video, we will dive into the features, design and performance of this revolutionary earbuds. So let's go. The Apple AirPods have been redesigned for expeditional all-day comfort and greater stability, with a refined control, shorter DEM and quick press controls. These earbuds are perfect for anyone looking for seamless listening experience. The AirPods 4 features active noise cancellation, which help you reduce outside noise before it reaches your ears. This means music, podcasts or audiobook without distraction. With the powerful H2 chip, the AirPods 4 deliver expeditional audio quality and seamless connectivity. Features like adaptive awareness make these earbuds perfect for any environment. The Apple AirPods 4 offer up to 4 hours of listening time on a single charge and up to 20 hours of using the case. Plus they are just sweet and water resistant, making this perfect for workouts and rainy days. In conclusion, the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and a game changer of anyone looking for a premium audio experience. With their silk design, advanced features and long-lasting battery, these earbuds are must-have among music lovers, commuters and fitness enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and subscribe for honest and informative video.